it's kind of hard to see, but there is a very unusual roper behind me. And there's two others. There's a Lowe's, and I think there's a Dynamark or something back there. So 3 mowers for 300 bucks. Not a bad deal. Let's head home. And, well, here we are. Check out this one, man. This is a really interesting mower back here. Kind of like this one. A Rally from Roper. So, never seen one. 11 horsepower. It does have the deck on it. The seat's mangled, but other than that, it's actually in really good shape. I can't wait to play with that. Glass headlights. I mean, real old school. Got a bumper down there. Check out those tires. They're okay. They need inner tubes. Rears are more conventional. You know. Of course, I'll have to see if I can find some keys for it. But yeah, it's in one piece. This one here being the nicest one. This is a yard machine. This one I'll definitely be fixing up to resell. MTD yard machine 638RL. And deck on that one's in great shape. That's definitely going to get resold there. Yeah. And the most interesting purchase of the day, this Lowe's 1136. Now the deck is gone. But check it out, man. Factory pickup truck bed. Isn't that cool? Like, that is so unusual. And tires hold there on this one. Engine spins freely. Needs a battery, obviously, but look at that. That is some vintage stuff right there. Look at those old... I'll come around the other side here, and it's raining pretty good, so we'll wrap it up. I'm not going to unload these until my wife gets home. She'll probably help me out with that, but yeah, there's another look at that Lowe's. All of them have flathead Briggs engines in them, of varying vintage. That one's got the key in it still. A little hour meter up on top. There's the other side of the yard machine one, 38-inch. Yeah, it's good shape. That engine's actually not in bad shape. It's muddy. Oh my gosh, did I get covered in mud today. And there's another look at that Rally by Roper. Which this one's, you know, the roughest of the bunch, but just kind of an interesting tractor. I don't recall ever seeing one of these, so be something to play with for sure. There we go. Take a look. Got them off the vehicle. It's still raining out, so I won't mess with these things today. But there's that Lowe's 1136 with the truck bed. I mean, check it out, dude. That's so weird. As far as I know, that's factory, but it's pretty darn cool. Seat's cracked on that one, but other than that, this looks complete. Of course, minus the deck. But look at the head on that. I like the face on that one. And here's the Roper Rally. 11 horsepower, also a 36. It's got the deck on it. Let's see how old it is. Still got those real old school wheels on it. But this one, other than the seat being goofed up, is complete. It's not rusty. It's just dirty, man. Also, look at that classic look on the front of that. Look at those two. Simpler times, right? Sorry if the camera's shaky. I'll try to edit that out, but I'm not using my real camera because it's raining. It's like a $1,000 camera, so. Well, not $1,000, but you know. Anyway, there it is. I'm going to fix that one up and sell it. I'm going to clean it up. It'll be like kind of a spring resto. And I'll bring you along for that adventure. And then lastly, the yard machines by MTD 638RL, which looks an awful lot like the Troy built pony I had. Just a little bit different nose. I got to say, you look at this. Right, look at the nose on that. And look at that nose. And look at that nose. I'm guessing early 2000s, but dude, that didn't age well, did it? It just doesn't look right. And this is definitely a flip. This one just needs a drive belt. The mower belt works, the drive belt's bad, and it needs a battery. In fact, it doesn't even have a battery, and I'll have to find also down in there and get that battery. Put that in there and it'll be ready to run. 13.5 power built by Briggs. Let's see what the Roper's got in it. No, I don't even think I lifted the hood on this one. This one, I was sold by the... Sticking over here. There we go. 11 horsepower Briggs, flathead. Dirty but complete. This one needs some front suspension work. Those tires are flat, no doubt, and I can probably save those. I don't know, but inner tubes will go a long way with those. But the it's just rusted up, man. It needs to be clean, greased. So good for a sandblaster, you know. And the Lowe's, goes latched on the Lowe's. Paint's not so great on the Lowe's, but that's okay because this one's going to be a creation. Another 12 horsepower IC. We got something here. Let's see. Code 5078. I would not be surprised. Made in the USA. So yeah, I'm not surprised at all. That is a 5 of 78 model. Awesome. Kind of figured with the glass that it had to be US made. Had to be about that vintage. Look at the old amp meter gauge on that one. Pretty groovy. So awesome. Loving it. And that one, all 4 tires hold there. So there we go. Fix it and flip it, right? 2 to flip, 1 to play with. Till next time, my friends. Take care.